Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gunjan and today we are going to talk about the curly hair. So today I'm starting a new series which is on my curly hair. How it started, what struggle I have faced, how it's going, type of curls, how to take care of your curls. Everything will be covered in this series. Let's get into the series so that you can know better. This is how my hair look when I dry brush them. It's totally normal to have this kind of frizz. But curly girl need to not to dry comb their hairs. We can use curly hair techniques to go and get the flawless curls. This is how my hair looks when I straighten them. It is okay to straighten your hairs, but not every day for every event because curly girl feel this is the only solution for their frizz. But you are damaging your hair. So stop straightening your hair frequently. This is the reference picture how your curls will look before and after styling. Thank you so much for watching my video. If this was helpful, do hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also stay tuned for the next episode so that you can get the flawless curls of your day. Bye bye.